Hello friends, welcome you all to Prepare for Bank. I'm excited about this new video on IBPS PO exam syllabus. So friends, as you all are aware that the IBPS PO exams are going to be conducted in the months of October and November 2024. So friends, the first basic essential part is to be aware about the exam syllabus and what all type of questions are going to be asked in the syllabus, right? So that's where we have brought up this video for you, where we will be covering all the exam related syllabus part. So friends, in this video we are going to focus about the preliminary exam, then the main exam part, and then the syllabus part of it, where we will be covering for the computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English part of it. So let's get started and move on. So friends, before we start, I just wanted to share that I have also already created a video on IBPS PO exams, where we have discussed about the strategies and the exam format and the key areas that students need to be careful while attempting for the IBPS PO exam. So friends, video already prepared, and the link of this video is already given in the description box, so you can have a look on this video as well. So let's move forward. Now, as earlier also I have discussed the preliminary exam format. The exam format is of three tests are there: English language, numerical ability, reasoning ability, and all are separately timed for 20 minutes and varies in the number of questions of 30-35 respectively. So this is the format of the preliminary exam. The preliminary exams will be conducted in the month of October 2024. And now the mains examinations. Once you clear the preliminary exam, you will be called for the mains examination, and the mains examination will be having total 5 parts or the 5 tests. The first will be reasoning and computer aptitude. The second is general economy or the banking awareness. Then third is English language. The fourth is data analysis and data interpretation. The fifth part is the English language, that is a descriptive part. So in the English language descriptive part, there will be a letter writing and an essay writing. So friends, each section or the each examination is being timed for a different amount of time. So as reasoning and computer aptitude will be timed for 60 minutes, 35 minutes for general awareness, 40 minutes for English language, and DI is for 45 minutes. And apart from that, the descriptive English language descriptive part is of 30 minutes. So in total, the composite time required for completion IBPS PO exam is 3 hours 30 minutes, and also the maximum marks is 225 marks. So friends, this is the format. So before we dive in to the syllabus part, we must be aware about the exam format and revise it again. Now let's move on to the syllabus part. So friends, for the syllabus part, I have already created the informative page on our website, that is Prepare for Bank, and over there we have discussed the syllabus in details for all the topics. So friends, over here in our website, IBPS PO syllabus is given in Prepare for Bank /IBPS plus PO syllabus. So over here the English language syllabus is that we need to be preparing for the reading comprehensions, tense rule, preposition rules, and likewise there will be the questions that we can expect for the English language. Apart from that, like for the reasoning ability, we will be looking for the alphanumeric series, direction test, blood relation classification, and so on. And for the quantitative aptitude or the numerical ability part, we can see like we will be getting evaluated for sorts and indices, percentage calculation, sequence and series, ratio and proportion, and so on. So friends, that's what the part for the preliminary part. And then when we come for the main part, in the main part also, like, the reasoning ability will not be varying much, and the syllabus for the reasoning ability will be same as the preliminary part. Only the level or the toughness of the questions varies from the preliminary to the main part. So the syllabus remains the same. And for the additional, the computer aptitude, that is clubbed along with the reasoning part. Over there we will be seeing that the computer questions will be asked. So we can expect the questions from the different areas of computer, where like history of computer, operating system, basics of computer hardware, software, networking, internet related topics, database, cyber security. And like, we can expect any of the questions that are currently trending in the market related to the cyber security, or any new inventions or innovations related to the AI part as well. So these are the computer aptitude test or information that can be asked. Apart from that, in general economy, general awareness, economic awareness, and banking awareness, we will be expecting the questions based on the important news, current affairs, persons, and places in news. So these are kind of the current affairs and information that we need to be aware or expecting in the general awareness part. Apart from this, the English language, again, it remains the same as per the prelims part. And again, the difficulty level will be increased for the mains examination, but the syllabus remains the same part. Then in mains we have English descriptive as well, where we will can see the letter writing and essay writing as well. So in 30 minutes we have to answer both the questions. It is very essential that we need to attempt or allocate at least 15 minutes or 10 minutes for the letter part and 20 minutes for the essay part. And we should not be carried away with solving any one question and we forgot to attempt the second for the descriptive part. So it's very essential that you write letter as well and write essay as well. So both the things are essential, and you have only 30 minutes to complete this descriptive part. So to better divide your time, that 10 minutes you allocate for the letter writing and 20 minutes for the essay writing, so that you can manage these things easily. And now for the IBPS PO exam syllabus, the main thing they have mentioned is data analysis and interpretation. So data analysis and interpretation, you will not be seeing the other exam syllabus of like percentage, ratio, proportion, things like that, but need to be aware about all these things, so that the ratios or the percentage calculation can be used in the DI part as well, and you are able to answer those questions and calculate accordingly. So this is the mains examination PO syllabus. I hope you are clear about the syllabus part, and you will be able to prepare accordingly as per the given syllabus. And friends, we have already created a strategy video for preparation of quantitative aptitude. So have a look on the strategy part and then prepare well for your exam. This video is also created in lines with the syllabus for all the examinations in related to the bank examinations, right? So have a look, prepare accordingly for your quantitative aptitude strategy. And if you have any questions or comment on this video, or if you need any information, do let us know in comment section, and also share this video with your friends and other family members, so that they can also get information related to the IBPS PO exam. So that's all for today's friend. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.